you savvy naturalistas, what is up and welcome back to my channel and another episode of the Battle of the Dupes, America versus Korea. Dun dun dun. Side note, I don't really think this is a dupe. It may be a dupe, but we are going to see because we're going to put it into the test. We are going to put it to the test in this video. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure if you would like to keep up with me, you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. So in this episode, these are the two masks we will be comparing and contrasting or seeing if it's a dupe, because this one will run you $6. Well, $5, $6 plus tax. It's the Freeman Detoxifying Charcoal Black Sugar Mud Mask, and this one is $14, and it's the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. So they're both to help with your pores. And many of you don't know, Jeju Island is really popular in Korea. It's like South Korea. It's like Hawaii to us in America, you know, if it compares. So yeah, so I'm really excited to try this mask. Mine is a little dry. I noticed when I was looking at reviews that I got a really dry one. Even on Amazon, I got a dry one. So, you know, I got a dry one. I don't know why I got a dry one. That ain't fair, but that's here nor there. Yeah, so Jeju Island, a lot of Chinese people, like Chinese nationals, go to Jeju Island. It's really popular. It's a very popular island. Someday I hope to go, but let's just compare these two masks. We know Freeman has water, bentonite clay, kaolin clay, and charcoal. And this one is actually a beautiful brown color. I know I'm kind of being biased right now, but I'm trying to look for the ingredients for you guys. I have my computer in front of me. Y'all know my daughter uses my phone for sounds. But this one has water, butylene glycol, titanium dioxide, salicylic glycerin. I really don't see, it has a lot of leaf extracts. Okay, well, you know what? The box is in Korean, so I'm seeing the English one online because I got one that is in Korean. Y'all know I can't read Korean, but it's sort of, the ingredients look hard. The only one I knew was water, butylene glycol, titanium dioxide, and salicylic glycerin. Let's just say it's not a clean beauty mask. We'll just keep it up there. Let's do swatches. Now, I want to say I'm only saying this one is really dry. I got a dry one, so it won't smear as watery from what I've seen online. I've seen a lot of people, even in the reviews on Amazon, that theirs has very water consistency, but I didn't get that one. So this one is the Freeman one. That's what it looks like. The queen of swatching is swatching for you guys. Clean scent. You know, I've reviewed this 50 million times. Clean, nice scent. And let's do the Jeju one. It smells like a floral scent. So it smells very floral. Like, it smells almost compared to, I don't know, you guys know that Peter Thomas Roth, you guys know the Peter Thomas Roth, what is it? Thomas Roth Rose Mask. It sort of has that aloe vera type scent to it with a little hint of rose to me. It just smells like that, like very aloe vera like. So they probably have aloe vera in it, but this is what it looks like. It has a very butter consistency where this one's a little more watery. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a close up for you guys. Can you guys see? Yeah, it sort of has that like aloe vera clean scent. Like, if I prefer the scent, I really like this scent better than this one. This one is very perfumey, and this one, I don't know if they have fragrance to it, but it's a light scent. I don't know. I got a bad batch already. I can already tell you it's really dry, so I'm just saying from what I see, it may be a stronger scent than what I got. So my hands are a mess, but we're just going to try to work this. So I'm just going to, because my hands look messy, I'm just going to add the Jeju one to this side of my face. See how it's going on already? Side note, They say for this mask, you want to do your skincare step routine. So you want to cleanse your face, tone your face, and then go ahead and apply the mask. So my face is cleansed and toned. That's why it looks really hydrated. And now we're just going to apply the mask. As you can see, it's going as you can see, I'm applying it and it's falling off. It's just, I think I got a bad batch because everybody else, when they put it on, it don't go on like, I got a bad batch, y'all. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just go and try to apply this, and then we'll be back to apply the Freeman, okay? Ooh, pray for a miracle. It's looking like Play-Doh. Okay, you guys, so I put the Innisfree Jeju Volcano Mask on this side of my face. Now I'm gonna put the Freeman black sugar charcoal mask on the other side of my face. I just want to say this, that I did have to mix this with a little bit of water because it was dry. So if you got a dry batch like I did, just go ahead and mix it with a little bit of water and it should help it have a nice smooth consistency. I want to say that I've seen other people with this mask and it's not as dry, so I just got a bad batch. So if you one of those unlucky people who got a bad batch, maybe an expired batch, then go ahead and just mix it with some water. So I repeat, it's just my mask because I've seen it on other people who have blogs, and I've just seen it online because when I got it, I was like, why my mask look like this? So I seen it online. I just got a bad batch and I didn't have time to be just like, oh, can I take it back? You know, I'm not that type of, I'm not really like that type picky, like, oh my God, like I'm not, even though I'm dramatic in my videos, I am really not that bougie where I just need to be taking it back for something so small as it being a little dry. Now, if you give me half product, I'm asking for it back. Side note, I really did put a lot on this side of my face. But that was because it was just hard to get the mask. It was really hard. I really needed water. But like I was saying, if you give me half product, or half something, I'm complaining. But other than that, I really don't complain about it being dry, having like a weird consistency. You know, I'm not that bougie, but I understand if you paying your money for something, honey, you better let them know. I am all about, if you pay your money for something, you better get as much as you can out of it. But for stuff like that, I'm not going to be too petty. Anyways, you guys, let's put this mask on my face. Okay, you guys, so we're back and this is my face. I want to say this side looks like I got cakes and pounds of makeup on, but let's do a close-up so you can see which mask you prefer. I want to say this side really, it's not, I got a bad batch. So I'm really going to go in this unbiased as possible because I really did get a bad batch, you guys. But it looks a mess. So let's just, y'all see. Okay, y'all see. Oh my God, let me turn the light down. Light makes everything look better, but let's just turn it down. So, you see? So, I mean, it looked like I got a horrible face. I mean, just look at. So, this side and this side. Okay. Hey, you guys, so we're back and these are both the masks. This one is sort of dry. It dried in all the spots I needed to do, i.e. my T-zone areas, here, 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 and here. So I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see my chin looks like. This is what my nose looks like. Can you guys see? And this is my forehead. This side is very tightening and this side is not as tight, but it's a very nice soothing mask. I want to say this is just because it's a really dry mask. Okay, now I'm going to rinse it and then we could talk about it. Cha-cha, cha-cha-cha-cha. Okay, so we're back and the Korean mask is off my face and the American mask is off my face. So let's do a close-up. This is my face. So this is the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Clay Mask side. And this is the Freeman side. Where's my mirror? So I'm going to try to do a close-up so you guys can see. So this is my chin. This is my mouth. This is my nose. And this is my forehead. Cheek. And cheek. Okay, so let me look. I don't know. They look the same to me, like virtually. I'd hate to say it. My skin looks the same on both sides. Like, I'm shook because there's always like a little details I could say or feel, but I will say just red, but that's just, other than it being just a little red on this side, there's virtually no difference to me. Let me feel. It's nice and soft. Side is nice, soft. Side is a little more hydrating, but it's just like a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna dry my face, then we could talk about it, okay? Okay, so the American and Korean face-off, I'm gonna have to say this is a tie, you guys. Aside from it being a little more red on this side and a little more tightening, the Freeman side was a little more tightening and a little more red, I would say. Side note, I want to say, I'm just, you know, it's because Freeman masks are made in America and I bought it in America. I know that they sell Freeman masks in other countries, so if you are offended or triggered by that, I'm sorry. I feel like I'm saying sorry every time I do a battle like this, so I'm gonna just leave out the countries and the flags. I just thought it was cute, so if you're triggered, my bad. But anyways, I just want to say, honestly, the Freeman side of my face was a little more tight and it was a little more irritation to it. But other than that, like, it was tight, like real tight. And the Jeju volcano mask was very just nice and relaxing. Other than that, they are a tie. Like, wow, it's a tie, you guys. Like, there are really no minor details that I can even look for to like say, oh, I see this or oh, I see that. It's like a real tie. Even with hydration, it's like a tie. Even like with feel, like they're the same feel, which is really shocking due to the fact one has kaolin clay and bentonite clay, and one actually has Jeju volcano ash from Korea. I mean, okay, now this side is a little more silky. I see sometimes you gotta wait a little bit. This side is a little more silky and a little more, I would say, like bouncy. So it's a little more bouncy on this side. This side is soft, but you don't get that bounce that you get on this side, if you guys know what I mean. I'm gonna put Larimar elixir on my face. Make sure you check out Larimar elixir at savvynaturalisa.com. Larimar elixir contains all natural blue tansy essential oil, and it keeps your skin nice and hydrated. So make sure you check that out at savvynaturalisa.com. And this just to hydrate my skin. But all in all, like, you guys, this side does feel way better than this side. So the Jeju side feels way better than the Freeman side. But all in all, in appearance and the way it cleans pores, it's a tie, you guys. I'm gonna have to say it's a tie. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But I will say you'll get a lot of more bounce on this side, which is really interesting because this side felt very tightening. So I thought I would get a lot of more bounce because it was so firm. But maybe because the mask was so tight and firm on the Freeman side, I didn't get that bounce and elasticity that I get with the Jeju Volcano Pore mask. So those are the differences. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out savvynaturalisa.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil, as well as Larimar Elixir, our soaps and toner, Aqua de Rosas. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in our next episode of the Battle of the Dupes, country edition. I love you guys. I'm just gonna go.